It's not here yet. I'm watching the radar.
Oh, okay.
So we're taking a little vacation now, kind of scouting the area. We're in Oklahoma City, Norman to be exact. I'm right there. And, of course, storms are popping up. In fact, I think we're under tornado watch, but I think there's a tornado on the ground to the southwest of us. And this is what it looks like in Oklahoma City to the west. We have a good hour, it's moving at 50 miles an hour. We have a good hour and a half before this hits us. I'm gonna have my camera on hand if it's not dark by then. Well, let's take a look. What's interesting today is the clouds have been low. Like, see those clouds right there? They're very low. Normally they wouldn't be so low to the ground, and that was on the news also. But you can just see, they're just, everywhere you look is just this instability. You can just tell, if you've been watching this for a while, you can just tell that it's just churning. You know, as soon as we got to Oklahoma City, you could just feel the air, there's not, all the clouds aren't moving in the same direction, you know, they're not the same color. There's just this contrast, and that, I don't know, that's what I call instability. Is this, you can just tell that there's differences, changes, things aren't just not right. It's been really windy all day, and of course there's storms coming. There's been storms week after week, day after day here. There's been so much flooding because so much rain, but anyway, we're here at the Embassy Suites in Norman, Oklahoma, and if anything else happens, you will know about it because I will film it. It's a GoPro mount. They've got a little bubble on top and a weather station. How cool is that? I want that rig. That's pretty cool. Storm chasers.
It is cool.
Yeah. Cool. I think I'm near the National Weather Service, near my hotel. So I thought, why not check it out? We're in Norman, Oklahoma, and I'm trying to figure out where I am. Radar Operations Center. I think this is the National Weather Service. So I'm at the National Weather Service Radar Operations Center. There actually are storms coming, and there are 2 radars here, and there's an airport here too, but it feels kind of like governmental. It feels kind of like, I feel like somebody could come out, some kind of spook could come out at any time and pull me over and say, "What are you doing here?" I almost wish they would, because then I could ask questions.
And there's a tornado, maybe.
We never know, and it's getting dark. We're gonna go out and check it out. You wanna do you wanna walk off?
Oh my God.
Going down. First floor.
All right, the storms are getting closer. Me and my kiddo are walking around. There is the most amazing taco place over there called, what was it called? Torchy's Tacos. Best taco I ever had by far. Literally awesome taco. All right, the storms are coming this way, but we got a good 20 minutes before bam-o, it hits. I think we've got 15 minutes, and we're gonna push it. We're gonna go over there and look at the fountains. We're seeing lightning. There's people going back to the hotel, but we're gonna go look at the fountains before the storm hits. We are getting wet. When the trees move like that, they're telling you something. It's not supposed to be this windy at night. Beautiful area. Let's walk all the way around and then go back. We got to make our move because storms are coming. All right, it's almost slam time. Oklahoma City. Whoop.
Are you okay? Glad we came back.
The wagon was blowing away from her. Oh, it's like a hurricane or something. What do you think? Crazy?
Yes.
I love storms. Oklahoma City's wonderful.
Yes, it is. Are y'all from?
No, we're from Missouri. We get tornadoes there too.
Oh yes, I'm from Texas. So, yeah.
What part?
Like the Panhandle part, west, Panhandle.
We're
west.
thinking of moving to Dallas.
Oh, really? Okay.
Because it's warmer and I hate the winter and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we're getting footage of tornadoes or whatever storm.
Oh, yeah, cool.
This is my daughter. All right,
We
thanks.
gotta have fun.
Oh my goodness.
Oklahoma City. It hasn't even hit yet, by the way. We're waiting for the tornado. Where is it? Oh shit. Coming from that direction of two. My car just flipped 20 feet away. It's not here yet. I'm watching the radar.
Oh, okay.
Still far away. Still far. We're here. Still far away.
But it's a pretty good size.
But that's bad.
Yeah.
Man, that's loud. I'm gonna go inside. It's crazy. Welcome to Oklahoma. I don't feel bad. I got a brick building to be in.
What's wrong? Why was it so loud out there?
Because that siren thing is right there. I saw it when we were walking.
Oh,
It's not that bad.
because every time the door opened, it was so loud.
The thing is right there.
I turned my
Hello?
head because I could hear it really close.
No, the siren went off for one thing. Well, maybe you should come downstairs. If you stay away from windows, you're fine. You go in the bathroom. Is it? It's big. Well, a big building like this is very safe. I want to be in. We're in the closet, so I'm like, this is not normal, really. This is the worst I've ever seen, ever. I'm starting to believe in global warming. Let's go upstairs. Come on. Stairwells. the stairwell.
Yeah, I'm getting the shoes on.
Totally safe.
I believe you, I'm just really cool.
Our room is open. No more problem, Carly.
Yeah, oh, they said.
Leave the room open. It's open. So the hotel just announced that everything's fine. We knew. I actually have a brother-in-law who's really up on storms, and he said it had passed over us, and we kind of knew because we have radar. We were hiding in the stairwell, which is the best place. Lots of steel around us, and oh my God, look at that. Holy cow.
I told them to come down. They're waiting. I'm going up there.
So, second night in Oklahoma City, and this time the storm has passed. It's broken up and now it's just a bunch of red stuff. There's probably 100 people down there waiting for the elevator because heaven forbid they walk some stairs. I just walked 4 flights, not a big deal. I'm glad I didn't get top floor.
Tornado warning continues with this right here. This is the cell. This is the only tornado warning that we have anywhere in the state. Is going to be this cell right here. We have a lot of rain coming in right now, and that rain's going to continue, but that will be the tornado warning in between Prague and Arlington. If you live between Arlington and Prague, our rotation tracker is still picking up rotation. Also quite a bit of strong winds surging to the east. This is headed toward Eventually Creek and Fusky County with this tornado warning. Moving to the east, go back out to Michael. Michael, give us an update from Storm Command.
Hey, but I just had a guy who tweeted to us, and he said there's an Assemblies of God church camp right there by Sparks where that tornado was located with probably 500 kids in it right now. So we want to start checking on this Assemblies of God church camp near Sparks. If somebody can kind of run